Hey everybody, it's Big Water. How's it going? I'm here at Big Water Base Camp in downtown Portland, Oregon. And I'm here to chime in and let you know about the HeartH Festival that's coming up on May 21, 22, and 23. Online festival from some peeps out of Sedona, Arizona. And I am here to do my sound check. So this is my sound check. And I'm gonna do a brand new song. Actually, I just finished this song. And how funny, this is a song called In Your Heart. So here you go, y'all. Little ballad. Eastern wind is blowing, grass is high, summer clouds are rolling, painted sky. My face is in the mirror, talks to me, tells me that I'm crazy. We agree. Yeah. No, it ain't easy to open a heart. Love is the healing place to start. In your heart, in your heart. You can hide from your feelings, but in love without healing you will find what you're seeking. In your heart, in your heart, in your heart. I run and I keep running far away, but I hear your voices calling me to stay. No, it ain't easy to open a heart. Love is the healing place to start. In your heart, in your heart. The sun on the horizon, sinking low. Full moon up and rising, so it goes. In your heart, in your heart. In your heart. All right, we'll see you May 21, 22, 23, HeartH Festival. My name is Big Water. I'm here in Portland, Oregon. www.bigwater.cc is my website. I'm on Facebook at /Agua Grande, Instagram at Big Team Water Human, and be coming at you very soon. Thanks everybody. Thanks HeartH for putting this together. Go everybody. Let's go everybody. Woo!